wrong. I'm just the pieces of the man I used to be. Too many bitter tears are raining down on me. I'm far away from home, and I've been facing this alone for much too long. I feel like no one ever told the truth to me about growing up and what I struggle it would be. And my tangled state of mind, I've been looking back to find where I went wrong. Too much love will kill you if you can't make up your mind. Torn between a lover and a love you leave behind. You held it for disaster, but you never read the signs. Too much love will kill you every time. Just the shadow of the man I used to be. Yeah, it seems like there's no way out of this for me. I used to bring you sunshine, but all I ever do is bring you down. Oh, how would it feel if you were standing in my shoes? Can't you see that it's impossible to choose? No, there's no making sense of it. Everywhere I go, how about you? Whoa, whoa, yeah! Too much love will kill you. It's a sure as not at all. There's a grain of poverty in you, make you bleed and scream and crawl. And the pain will make you crazy. You're the victims of your crime. Too much love will kill you every time. Yeah, only.
So, ati order po tiintay pa nagsasalakyan sigun kini po kapitan. Haan nga madingdingay tanya man nga sunatan niya po. Aktual tuloy lang nga dance for all. Tangay agumit yung balasang siguro. Laing nga marami din tayo tap na tikastakyan na saysayat ka na disiplina itibagbagi niya po. At sisinoblat tayo. Tap na tikastakyan na nayas din tayo pa ng ganasa. So, ano na dance for all? The public dance.
Yeah.